Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Jerome Moses channel. We have a brand new video today. I'm going to show you how to buy a new meme token that is taking over the world by storm. A new meme token from Africa. It's called the Wakanda Inu, WKD. So I won't really talk a lot about it. I'll make another video giving reasons why we should take Wakanda Inu and why we should buy it. But in this video, I'm just going to show you the small step-by-step procedure of how to buy it. So the website, if you want to read more about Wakanda Inu, is wakandainu.com, wakandainu.com. So this is the website. I won't really talk much about it. I'll do that in my next video. It has a lot of stuff here. So it's listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko already. So on CoinGecko, here is the price. It has dropped a bit, so it's a good time to buy the dip chart. So this is it. Let's copy the contact address here. And then we go back to Trust Wallet. So this is my Trust Wallet. I already have some Wakanda Inu. So when you want to buy, you must have Smart Chain BNB. Obviously I have like roughly $25 here. So you go to dApps, you look for Pancakeswap. It's down here. It loads a bit. If it's your first time to use Pancakeswap on Trust Wallet, you'll be prompted to connect your wallet. There's a phishing warning. Please make sure you're visiting pancakeswap.finance. Check the URL carefully. So here we are. My BNB is here. So select the token. I'm going to paste our address. Remember, I copied the address. It's already here. Wakanda Inu. Here we are. So I want to buy roughly, I think $15. It's still loading. Wakanda Inu balance. It depends on how ES starts it. So what I always do when I want to find out the exact, I change this BNB to BUSDT, and then so that I can say I want to buy $15. So those are roughly how many Wakanda Inu. That is 89 million. So I'm just going to buy 9. This is it, 89 million. 1 2. Okay, let me copy this. Copy it. Now I take this back to BNB since we've got our figure, and then I paste the worth, the 50. I paste it here. So that means I'm going to spend that. I said that's roughly $15. So then I click on swap, and then I continue. Swap again. Waiting for confirmation. Due to an error, estimated gas fees. Dismiss. Let me try it again. Swap. So you click on swap. If it refuses, you are going to adjust the fees. If it does refuse again, here we go, waiting for confirmation. Swapping that. The fees, I don't know what's wrong with the fees. Let us try and do this. Take this back. Let me go to this settings here. Let me try first, and then I try it again. Confirm. Waiting a bit. Yeah, finally it has gone. I chose, we were on standard fees, which is a bit slower, so I chose fast. The fees is 0.54. so the total cost I've used is 15.88. so I bought Wakanda worth $15. So approve, and then we'll wait shortly. So if you encounter that error, you just have to rewind this video and change it to the first transaction. The fees are a bit slightly higher, but they're really less. It's just $0.5. So we have bought Wakanda 89 million. So my balance is going to increase. Let's just wait shortly. The transaction is here, still pending. I've kept on refreshing and it seems so. I remember I had 30, is it 32? Yes, I bought 89, so now I have 100 million Wakanda, as you can see. So that's the step-by-step guide on how to buy Wakanda token. So you can buy as little as you wish, but that's the step-by-step process. So I'm going to put a link here to a Facebook group where I'll be helping other people to buy Wakanda. In case of any questions, I'm going to put a link, and also I'm also going to put a Telegram link. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you buy Wakanda token on Trust Wallet using Pancakeswap. Thank you.